Alright, maayong adlaw sa tanan. My name's Orochi. So today we are gonna be playing Strinova. So kani siya nga game, mura siya Valorant. And daghan pa siya mga klaseng game modes, which is na siya Team Arena, Demolition, Escort, Bubblehead Brawl, Outbreak, and Team Deathmatch. So karon mag Team Deathmatch lang ta para di la kayo ingana ka pressure ang gameplay. Tsara po ng Demolition, which is muna siya ang naay rank match, ang Demolition match. So far akong pinakaganahan gid ring nga mga matches or mga challenges is kaning sa Escort o kaning sa Team Deathmatch. Okay po ng Demolition, pero di ra kay ko gadula sa Demolition. Napo na sila dormitory system, so muna sila ang itsura sa dorm. Muna siya ang character. So muna ilang mga agents. Muna akong bago na unlock kani si Mara.
This device.
So let's get to it. Sugod na ta. Hindi na to langanon. Currently, I think murag naapod sila sa mobile. Murag bago na sila nag-advertise nga naapod sila sa mobile. Pero currently, right now, I'm on PC. So gusto sa ko makabalo kung asa mo gadula ka device. Naba mo sa PC, console, or mobile. Hopefully mag-enjoy mo sa gameplay. Alright, so atong gamiton si Mara. Okay, siya akong pinakabagong nga na-unlock. Ganahan kayo kasi yung gameplay. Yung weapon is SMG. Murag MP5 ang itsura. And then, ang iya pong skill kay OP pod kayo. Ganahan po kasi yung skill. Makalahos siya og wall. Ang iyang skill kung imo siyang i-target sa kalaban. And overall, tsada yung gameplay. Naka-unique ani nga dula kay mura silang mahimog papel. Mulupad sila or munipis ilang lawas to a point kung mura silang paper. And then makalusot-lusot sila ka ng mga grabe ka thin nga mga areas sa map.
Warm-up phase.
Alright. Here we go. So warm-up phase. Alright, here we go. So naramay mo silang papel.
The warm-up phase is about to end.
Souls are constant. They will fade and I will grow.
Alright. Okay.
3,
Ano na tininood na ni.
2, 1. Battle start.
Okay. Bago pa rin siya nga game, mga taon-taon pa rin, wala pa rin siya nag 3 or more than 3 months siguro.
First blood.
Alright, nice. Uy, oh! Alright!
But I won't give up.
Eh, nag-reload pa dyan ko.
Give this aroma blend a try.
Souls are constant.
So maka-switch ka either
They will
shoulder
fade
fire
and
or
I will
ADS.
grow.
Depende lang sa imong button sa kasa nimo gi-assign ang keybind.
Spread the fragrance.
Gamiton to yung skill. So kung maigo ka adto na kay amplified ng damage ni Mara. So kibali you take extra damage kung ikaw ang opponent, maigo ka adto na skill na siya additional damage.
Pay for that. Souls
Grabe
are
ka maayo kung mga
constant.
kauban. Wala
They
ko
will
kills.
fade and I will grow.
Puro assist. Alright.
Trembling souls are calling to me.
Ah,
I'm not going to make
pamtani.
Team Shield enhancement activated.
Uy, Shaco, sniper. Woo! Tapangan ng kauban. Thanks.
Here comes death.
May kalaban na lang.
Souls are constant. They will fade and
Kumuna siya.
I will grow.
Tanang na murag na green orb. Shaco. Ma-take siya extra
Trembling
damage.
souls are calling to me. Here comes death.
Okay, double kill, eh.
Has a prize.
The leading team
Alright.
Fade and I will grow.
Tsada kay mag sidestep diri ba kay pinira ka mag paper mode. Dugay rin kay ka maigo.
Trembling souls are calling to me. I cherish the freedom of the Here comes death. Souls are constant. They will fade.
The showdown has begun. Beware the
So-
reverse string storm.
Come to me.
Alright. Eh, tabangan ko duha.
Silence.
Anyway, let's siya ko eh.
Here comes death.
Alright.
The leading team has reached 30 points.
Okay.
Souls are constant. They will fade and I will grow. Let's pay for that.
Muna siya kaganina. Yeah, habang.
Silence.
No chance.
At last. Here comes death.
Alright,
So-
down.
Come to me.
Alright.
Teach you how
Syempre.
to fight. Silence. At last.
Basta na background music, meaning hapit ang mga manang match.
So. Come.
Team weapons
Alright.
enhancement activated.
Uy, ahak na pa
They
isa.
teach you how to fight.
Alright.
Out the flames of your soul.
Okay. Shush, low na kay ko.
Silence. At last.
Amo nang gakalingaw kog deathmatch kay tuloy-tuloy lang ba. Kay kung magdula pud ko og demolition,
They will fade.
wala kung ma-out ka sa ma-take down ka sa kalaban, magulat pa jud ka nga mahuman ng round.
So. Come to me.
Asa man na? Sheesh.
5 more kills
Sandwich
to
ko.
win.
Trembling souls are calling to me.
Kita dire. So pili ka molatay og wall kung naka paper mode.
Souls are constant. They will fade and I will grow.
Alright, low na kay ko. Sniper mo na ito.
Come to me. Cherish.
Nasa likod.
At last.
Oh, naigo. Question is asa. Nagpatakar ako glabay sa akong
One
skill.
more kill to win.
Alright, that's it.
Victory!
So nakadaog mi pero di ko sure kung first place or second
Such
place.
poor shape.
Alright, so mo to guys ang gameplay ni Mara. And I hope nag-enjoy mo. It's a very short match. And you guys have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and give me some opinions about this video. Kasi na ako yung mga ways nga pwede ko mag-improve or sa ba. Thank you and goodbye.